children. Our today's topic is drawing. Drawing a funny face. Okay children, you first need to make a circle. If you're not able to make a circle, you can make a circular face. So, first we will make a circle. Now what we have to do? We have to make the eyes. A small circle. Another small circle. These are the eyes. Make a smaller circle in between. A smaller circle in between. Now, what comes next? We have to make the nose. Make a triangle. Yes, that's the nose. Now we'll make a half circle. That will be the mouth. A sleeping line and a small curve. So, this is the mouth. Now, the face should have some hair, right? So, few zigzag lines on the forehead. This is your funny face. Now, you can color it. Now, let's color the face. Oh, I forgot to make the ears. Again, a half circle on the right hand side. And a half circle on the left hand side. These are the ears. Now let's color the face. What color is our skin? It is light brown, or you can say peach color. So let's color the face with peach crayon. I've colored the face now. The ears also should be colored with the same crayon. Now the eyes. You can use a black crayon to make the eyes. See? Now next is the mouth. You can use a red crayon to color the mouth. And now the nose. Let's use a pink crayon. Does this look funny? What is left? Yes, we have the hair. So, our funny face is ready. You can write the date. So, today's date is 24/7, that is July 2020. And the topic is funny face. This is how you need to draw a funny face in your drawing notebook. Enjoy your drawing and coloring. Thank you.